Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you how to add custom buttons to Notion for free. So let's get started. Step 1. Set up GitHub. If you haven't already, we are going to use github.com, fontawesome.com, and this Notion widgets gallery. Step 2. Create a new HTML file. Open your GitHub repository, click on Add File, and select Create a new file. Name your file, for example, buttons.html. Step 3. Get widget code from the widget gallery. Navigate to the widget gallery and select the button widget. Click on source code and copy the code. Step 4. Customize button text and URL. Paste the copied code into your new HTML file. Replace the placeholder button text and URL with your desired text and link. For example, you can create a PDF button. Step 5. Customize button appearance. You can further customize the button by changing its color, size, shape, and even adding icons. You can further customize the button by changing its color, size, shape, and even adding icons. Use the provided preset colors or specify your own hex code for a custom color. Step 6. Preview your button. To preview your button, save the HTML file with a Save the HTML file with a .html extension and open it in your browser. Make any necessary adjustments until you're satisfied with the appearance. Step 7. Publish on GitHub pages. Commit your changes to GitHub. Then, go to Repository Setting and navigate to Pages. And copy the URL once your page is published. Step 8. Embed the button in Notion. Paste the copied URL into your Notion page and your button will be embedded. You can now enjoy your custom button on your Notion page. That's it for this video. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!